when we talk arguments and when we talk opinions, it's important to remember quality is ascribed by context. What do I mean by this? Well, suppose I have a cup here, right? And this cup, compared to a pinto bean here, which is bigger? Well, the cup is bigger. But if we remove the cup from the equation and compare a pinto bean to an ant, which is bigger? Well, the pinto bean would be bigger. But if we forget that for a second and compare an ant to a hydrogen atom, which is bigger? Then hydrogen is going to be small, so ant is going to be bigger. Just like this. Bigness, smallness is something that is ascribed by context. So when I have a green bean and a red bean, these are different because in this context, the two are different. But comparing the two beans to a pencil, when you compare these two beans to a pencil, now these are both beans because they are different from a pencil. So just like this, sameness is also ascribed by context. Not only does this apply to size or sameness, right or wrong is also ascribed by context. So for example, the shortest distance between two lines, two dots, is a line, right? But this is only right in traditional Euclidean geometry. In a warped space and a non-flat surface, then the shortest distance may not be a straight line. Just like this, when we have something that we disagree with, it's important to distinguish between disagreement and saying it's wrong. Because when I see the context that you provide, but have a different opinion within that same context, then I can disagree with you on a matter. I can see your point, but I can have a different perspective in the same context. But if I just say flat out, you are wrong, then I'm not seeing the context and I am bound within my context. And that is what tends to invite anger into discussions.